What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Vicseed 3-in-1 universal car phone mount. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid $17.99, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, we're going to open the box up straight away and have a look at it. So first of all, we've got the phone holder. So it's made out of a plastic and it feels pretty solid and well built. So it's got some feet at the bottom and they can be adjusted by pulling them down and up depending on the size of your phone. They've left a gap at the bottom so you can put the charging lead through as well. So to actually fit the phone, you press this button on the side here and that opens it up, and then you just sit your phone inside and squeeze the clips together until it locks into place. Seems really well built, feels solid as well. So I fitted my iPhone 8 Plus in here and it had no issues or any problems with that either. So on the back of here, this is where it mounts to the suction cup and the vent mount, which I'll show you later. But other than that, it does feel really well built. So after that, we've got this is the suction cup for it, and this is pretty cool as well. I like the way they've made this, and it connects up with the ball joint at the back, so that just locks into place. I'll show you that in a minute. So with this, you can adjust it by loosening this side. That'll rotate to wherever you want it, and then on the front of here, if you loosen that up, you can extend the arm itself, so you can make it longer or shorter depending on how you want to set it and mount it in your car. So to use the suction cup itself, and this is really sticky by the way, I mean really sticky, there's no way this is going to come off. But what you do is you'll fit it onto the surface where you want to fit it, but make sure you clean the surface first with a wet cloth, and then make sure it's dried, and then you stick this down and then you'll press this button down and that will lock it into place and stop it coming off. If you want to take it off, you just flip that back up, and you might have to use this little bit of plastic here to help you lift it up. But other than that, the suction cup is absolutely awesome. I do like it. So this is made out of plastic as well, and again it does feel really well built. Other than that, I can't tell you much more about it apart from that, but I like the way you can adjust it into any position you want. Right, so that's the suction cup, and after that we've got this sticky pad here. So this is for connecting it to your dashboard. So if you want to fit this to your dashboard instead of your windscreen, you can fit it with this, and what you'll do is you'll take this sticker off here and stick it onto your dashboard somewhere flat, and then this will stick on top of it here, and that'll make a really good fix. So right, that's that. Then after that, we've got the vent mount. So this is the vent mount, and that fits in between your vent, and you'll adjust it by loosening this up. As you can see, it's opening it up, and you'll slide it in, and then you'll lock it into place where it'll grip it really tight, and that will lock into place then. So that's the mount for the vent. It's pretty easy to use. It does feel pretty solid. This does not feel flimsy or anything. I can't pull it apart or nothing. So yeah, that feels really well built. Oh yeah, before I forget, I'll show you how to connect this up on the back. So to connect this up, you'll loosen this off. Then you'll put this over here, and then you'll push this through, and then you'll tighten the plastic bolt back on. Like so. And that's locked into place now. And it'll be the same with that as well. Same principle. So right, that's how you connect that up to that. Trying to think now. There's not much else I can tell you about it. Finally, we've got the user manual for it. It gives you a bit more instructions on how to use it and how to fit it. And that's about it, guys. There's nothing else in the box. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.